Welcome back to Britology, where we explore the most extravagant and awe-inspiring aspects of life in the UK. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey inside the UK's biggest luxury motorhome, and trust us, you won't believe what's waiting for you. Imagine cruising down a scenic British countryside with rolling hills in the distance as you sit comfortably in the UK's most opulent motorhome. This isn't just any RV, it's a two-story palace on wheels, built for the elite traveler who desires nothing but the best. The golden exterior gleams in the sunlight, catching the eyes of anyone who dares to glance its way. It's a sight to behold, a fusion of sleek design and classic luxury. Stepping inside this mobile mansion, you're immediately greeted by a world of sophistication. The open-plan living area sprawls across the floor, with plush sofas inviting you to sink in and unwind. The flooring is pristine, polished marble that shines beneath the soft glow of crystal chandeliers, casting warm reflections throughout the space. This isn't just a living room, it's a retreat, designed with every detail in mind to ensure complete comfort. To the left, there's an elegant dining area, where fine dining becomes part of your daily routine. The oak dining table is perfectly set, ready for a gourmet meal crafted in the state-of-the-art kitchen that lies just beyond it. No expense has been spared, with double ovens, a 6-burner stove, and sleek countertops for all your culinary needs. Whether you're preparing a meal for two or hosting a dinner party on the road, this kitchen has you covered. But the real magic begins when you take the staircase that leads to the second level. This is no ordinary floor. It opens up to a rooftop terrace that is simply mind-blowing. Imagine enjoying a glass of wine while gazing out over breathtaking landscapes. The bar area and comfortable lounge seating give you a space to relax and entertain, all while you're on the move. The master suite is a haven of luxury, with a king-sized bed that feels like sleeping on a cloud. The high-quality linens and soft pillows make it impossible to leave. The room is bathed in natural light, creating an airy, serene ambiance. But it doesn't end there. The ensuite bathroom is just as luxurious, with a soaking tub that overlooks the countryside, a rainfall shower, and marble finishes that make it feel like a 5-star spa on wheels. For those who prefer to stay active while on the move, this motorhome features a private gym, equipped with everything you need to keep up with your fitness routine. Whether you prefer lifting weights or using the cardio machines, this motorhome makes sure you can stay in top shape no matter where the road takes you. The motorhome is equipped with a range of entertainment options to keep you occupied during your travels. From high-end sound systems to entertainment hubs for movies and games, you'll never experience a dull moment. But if you're seeking relaxation, there's also a private study, perfect for getting some work done or reading a book in peace. When you step outside, you'll notice the motorhome is equipped with ample storage to accommodate everything you could need on a long journey. Whether you're bringing along bikes, a small car, or even outdoor gear, there's space to store it all. And thanks to its innovative suspension system, the motorhome rides like a dream. Whether you're navigating tight streets or driving through rough terrain, inside the UK's biggest luxury motorhome, comfort and elegance meet functionality and design, making it more than just a way to travel. It's a lifestyle that's designed for those who seek the very best. Whether they're exploring the scenic beauty of the UK or cruising through Europe's countryside, it's the future of travel, combining the best elements of luxury living and adventure. As you continue on your journey, one thing is for sure: this motorhome is not just a vehicle. It's a statement of lifestyle and grandeur. Welcome to a world where the road becomes your playground, and the comfort of your home is always with you. Inside the UK's biggest luxury motorhome, every journey is an experience of pure luxury. And trust us, you won't want to miss this one.